Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to create custom post types and taxonomies in WordPress. So here you can see this is my admin dashboard. At first we need to install a plugin which is okay, so let's search it. CPTUI. Okay, I have already installed it. Now I need to activate it, so click on the activate. Okay, refresh the admin dashboard. Okay, here you can see the CPTUI plugin is already installed. If you want to add any kind of post types, you can add or edit. Click on it. For example, I will add restaurant. Okay, okay, click on that post type. Oh, sorry. Okay, you can also add or edit taxonomies. For example, I will add price tag. Okay, click on the add taxonomy. Okay, that's how you can add or edit taxonomies and custom post. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.